This is Scott the Fix-It Guy, and here today we have a Miele Touchtronic W4802 washer, and when we close the door, the light is still on, and if we press start, we get no result. So most likely something has gone wrong with the door lock. It's just not recognizing that it's closing. So we're going to remove this boot by taking off a ring here, and then we're going to be able to get back in there and see what's going on. So to remove this band that holds on the boot, we have this part here, and have these little teeth. Just use my standard head screwdriver to separate these teeth, kind of like gears, and that comes right loose. So we can just pull that off, that ring, and now we can peel back the boot. It's going to allow us to get into the door lock mechanism. I'm just going to undo these two Torx head screws. I think these are Torx 15, so we can get this out. Okay, so we removed one of these Torx head screws already. Here's the other one. Okay, and now you can reach around in the back. It's nice and loose. So, to get this out, after you remove the screws, you have to push in here pretty hard. Grab this, push in with one hand, and then push this up to release the tabs that it has here on the frame. And then to get back in, you go in and then down. Now we're going to just pull out this modular plug, this one, and this one, and then we'll get the wiring harness out of these guides, and then we can take a look at the door lock. Okay, so we have the wiring harness out of the guide here, so you can have a little more mobility. And we got this modular one out, this one, these three. To get this one out, we have to push in right here with the standard head screwdriver on this tab, and we can pull this one out. The non-start problem can also come from the bad controller, which lives underneath the top. You just have to remove the top to get to it. It's kind of expensive. Another culprit could be the wires that go between the controller and the door lock. So using a continuity tester, you can test these wires to make sure that each one of them is intact. Okay, thanks for watching.